Welcome everyone to the showcase for BioBuilder's Idea Accelerator. BioBuilder is a nonprofit organization that brings this curriculum to teachers and students anywhere, everywhere who would like to be learning this. Our focus for BioBuilder is to really offer very flexible and comprehensive training in this field called synthetic biology. We have student-facing programs like this one, where students can learn to integrate biology and engineering in order to design novel living systems. We also have school to work experiences and workshops. We also have teacher-directed programming, and we will run teacher professional development this summer as well for teachers who might like to just sort of see different ways of teaching this, have access to this and the teaching community behind BioBuilder.
The system we designed should produce a green color if listeria is present. The listeria concentrates within meat and dairy products should be the input, while the output could be the products changing to a green color based on concentration.
The system we designed should be able to detect glyphosate in the soil. This is a chemical found in the herbicide Roundup.
The input is the growth stage of the bacteria, and the output is the production of the lemon scent.
The next step to design the system is to figure out a device that can detect glyphosate, one that can detect the cell's growth stage, and one that can produce a lemon scent.
The topic area we decided to work on was medicine, with our idea being color-changing sutures.
The system and bacteria we designed will be a suture thread that will change color problems arise after stitches or surgery, allowing better diagnosis for post-procedural complications. The visual nature of the solution also allows patient diagnosis of potential problems.
The system we designed, with a mix of baker's yeast and sodium fluoride, should be able to detect a change in pH at the site of a wound and change its color to red if there is an infection, because an infected wound becomes more acidic.
The input of our system would be a decrease in pH, and the output would be a noticeable change in color of the solution when applied to the wound.
Our topic area is manufacturing. Our inspiration was a documentary that shows the hardships of homelessness.
The system we designed would merge the genes found specific fruits that make them go hollow onto the genetic code of large trees, making the large trees grow big but also hollow. These genetically modified trees will have enough space within them to sustain human inhabitants, thus being an alternative to homelessness.
This is genetically modified algae designed through BioBuilder. As algae are disappearing with the ecological threat of increased ocean temperatures, we have developed an idea that can increase algae production regardless of the condition of the environment. This genetically modified algae will decrease dependency of these factors.
This is our input and output process. What we input is carbon dioxide. We were discussing on using methane, but we decided that carbon dioxide would be a better choice due to its abundance. Our output will be electrical energy because it is one of the most common forms of energy and is used in most household appliances and technology.
The topic area we decided to work on was manufacturing. Instead of covering metals with oil, something high in demand in today's society, we've decided to go with a more cost-efficient idea that involves the use of a special bacteria and to top it off some genome engineering.